We can discuss another problem in your textbook, page the same exercise, seventh one. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. Find the perimeter. So okay, this is the rectangle, seventh one. Find the perimeter rectangle whose length is how much? 40 centimeter. Okay, and the diagonal 40 centimeter, and diagonal is one of the diagonal is 41 centimeter. You need to calculate the perimeter. How we can calculate the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter rectangle means 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. That is the perimeter of the rectangle. Rectangle perimeter and the 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. That is the concept of perimeter. Okay. So what we can do? See, here the length is given and we need to find the breadth. Okay, before that, this is a diagonal. So, A, B, C, D. This is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is the given rectangle. Given rectangle. Okay, breadth equal to how much? Breadth, what is CD? CD equal to 40 centimeter. Diagonal BD equal to 41 centimeter. Okay, then this rectangle is divided into two triangles. Okay, BD is the diagonal. So consider triangle BCD. Consider triangle BCD. Here right angle at angle C equal to 90 degree. So this is a rectangle. Rectangle case, each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is how much? 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. So angle C equal to how much you are getting? Already given that is 90 degree. Now what you can do? BC this is a triangle. This is a triangle, right triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, what you can write? BD square equal to CD square plus BC square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem, what you can write? BD square equal to CD square plus BC square. BD square equal to CD square plus BC square. So what is BD square? 41 square equal to what is CD square? 40 square plus what is BC? That we need to calculate. That is BC square. Okay. Now what you can do? We can find a square. 41 into 41. That is square. 1, 4, 4, 16. Okay. So 1, 8, 6, 1. Okay. 1681. 1, 4, 4, 16. So you are getting 1681. So 1681 equal 40 square means how much? 1600. 40 into 40 plus BC square. Okay, so we need to calculate the value of BC square. So we need to calculate the breadth and length. Length is already given, so we need to calculate the breadth because we need to find the perimeter. So then BC square equal to 1681 minus minus 1600. Equation minus. Then BC square equal to 1681 minus 1681. So BC equal to root 81 equal to 9 centimeter. Yes, we got the breadth is 9 centimeter. BC equal to 9 centimeter we got. BC equal to 9 centimeter, then AD is also 9 centimeter. This also 40 centimeter. So because the opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So what is perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle. 2 into L plus B. അല്ല 2 into length plus breadth, that is the perimeter of the rectangle അല്ല rectangle perimeter equal to 2 into bracket what is length 14 plus breadth 9 equal to 2 into 40 plus 9 49. 2 into 49 means 98 centimeter. Yes, that is the perimeter of the rectangle is how much? 98 centimeter. The perimeter of the rectangle is how much? 98 centimeter. How we got this? We divided this into two triangles അല്ലേ, because the diagonal is given. Diagonal നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ ഡയഗണൽ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഡയഗണൽ വരച്ച് കാരണം നമുക്ക് വി ഗോട്ട് ടു കോൺഗ്രന്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് അല്ലേ. സോ നമുക്ക് പൈതഗോറസ് തിയറം വെച്ചിട്ട് വി ഗോട്ട് ദാറ്റ് ദ അനദർ സൈഡ് ആൾസോ അല്ലേ. എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ വി അപ്ലൈഡ് ദ ഫോർമുല ഫോർ ഫൈൻഡിങ് ദ for finding the perimeter അല്ല. perimeter നമ്മൾ കാണാനുള്ള ഫോർമുല 2 into L plus B that we applied. So by this problem this chapter is over. Any doubts related to this chapter you can ask me personally, message or contact me, clear the doubts. Okay.